our video. If you would like to download the free manual that follows along with this video, the link is in the description below. In our last session, we worked with our enterprise project structure, and we created our school construction EPS node in our exercise on page 21 in the training manual. For this session, we want to look at creating a new project. In P6, I can open a project by highlighting a project from the list, right-click, and say Open Project. This opens my project. Now let's talk about creating a project. Back to my Projects tab, File, New. You'll notice the first thing it asked me is, what EPS node do you want to create this project in? I want to create this new project in our new School Construction EPS node. So I select that node, select Next, and in our exercise on page 27 in the manual, we're going to call this New School. That is the project ID. This project will be called High School Edition. Select Next. Plan start date. We'll select January 5, 2015. And I always leave my must finish by empty. The responsible manager. This actually is pulling from your organizational breakdown structure. I would just leave this in the default enterprise. And the next couple of screens are default. I select finish, and there is my new project. Now in this new project, you'll notice down in the bottom, in our details view, we have all of the tabs associated with our project. There's the project ID and project name. We have the dates, our planned start date. We have a defaults tab. We'll cover some of these later. These defaults will determine how activities are added and the settings that they have. A full explanation of all of these tabs can be found on page 28 and 29 in your manual. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your colleagues, and leave a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.